In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Muharram. Who was the first man created by Allah? Adam, peace be upon him. How many daily prayers are obligatory in Islam? 5. Who was the last prophet of Islam? Muhammad, peace be upon him. What is the name of the angel who brings revelation? Jibril. Which surah has no Bismillah? Surah At-Tawbah. Who was the first caliph of Islam? Hadrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him. Which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Which month is fasting obligatory? Ramadan. Which obligatory prayer has the fewest rak'at? Fajr. Who was swallowed by a whale? Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him. Which prophet could speak as a baby? Prophet Isa, peace be upon him. How many surahs are in the Qur'an? 114. What is the name of the night prayer? Tahajjud. What was the first revelation? Surah Al-Alaq. What is the term for lawful in Islam? Halal. Who was the mother of Prophet Isa, peace be upon him? Maryam, peace be upon her. What is the pilgrimage to Makkah called? Hajj. How many verses are in Surah Al-Baqarah? 286. Who was known for interpreting dreams? Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him. Who split the moon by Allah's permission? Muhammad, peace be upon him. What is the term for interest in Islam? Riba. Which prophet had a miraculous staff? Prophet Musa, peace be upon him. Who is Dajjal? Deceiver. So what is the punishment for theft in Sharia? Amputation.
Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Jazakallahu khairan.